D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Dimitri here, learning my natural notes on the Demi-Circle. 4th string open, open D, 2 frets to E. Every dot's a fret on the circle. D, 2 frets to E, 1 fret to F, 2 frets to G, 2 frets to A, 2 frets to B, 1 fret to C, 2 frets to D. Descending counterclockwise, 2 frets to C, 1 fret to B, 2 frets to A, 2 frets to G, 2 frets to F, 1 fret to E, open D. Okay, let's try it together. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Going the other way. D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D. Real slow. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Get your own natural note circle at Dmitri4.com. Learn your natural notes on every string and never guess again. I'm Dimitri. Bye.